Sick of your hose reels breaking on you, or worse, being hard to wind up? Well, today's video is just for you. We have partnered up with our good friends over at Giraffe Tools to check out their stainless steel hose reel. That's right, we'll get it out of the box, let you guys know what we think on this episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you are new to the show, make sure to hit that like button, follow us wherever you are seeing this video, and get in the comments to interact with the community. Today's episode is brought to you by Giraffe Tools, and we have their stainless steel hose reel to be checking out. Of course, we have all of our links and details located in the description if you want to check that out. So considering this is a bigger box, we are going to skip the table and just carry this bad boy straight outside. So let's go get this unboxed. Okay, for today's unboxing, we're outdoors in this lovely weather and we're gonna get out a stainless steel hose reel by our good friends over at Giraffe Tools. So let's see what we get in the box. We've got some straps on top we cut. Then right on top we got some nice looking styrofoam. We can take that out. Some paper we can fold back. Take these sides out. You can see it in here. We'll reach down, pull out this hose reel. Oh, that is nice. Got some parts here. It's got some paperwork on it as well. Get the foam on off of it. Right here we have some attachment pieces, the handle. Then we'll check more in the box. We have some more mounting bolts. And some screws with an Allen tool in it. And then the rest is just foam. So let's go get this bad boy mounted and put some hose on it and try it out. But that right there is everything you get right out of the box. So do you remember that saying that we said, gear that works hard so you don't have to? Well, that's the same exact thing with this stainless steel hose reel. This thing is completely made out of stainless steel, so it looks great, it's tough, and the best part, no more rust. The garden reels are made with an industrial grade 304 stainless steel for heavy duty jobs. And the no more kink system is great. It uses unique ceramics technology applied in a G guiding system to ensure its prolonged lifetime. It has a 400% life cycle increase compared to the normal one. And you also don't have to worry about any more leakage. We take care of all that too. The solid brass connection machine press conductor is more durable than aluminum, wear resisting, and leakage proof. And of course, all this technology, it has to be easy to wind, right? Well, of course. It's got a super durable handle. It fits on there real nice and snug, no wobble. It's great. And it does an excellent job winding up all the hose, getting it nicely put in there, or you can put the locking system off and guide it yourself. This stainless steel hose reel has been really great. We are highly enjoying it, even thinking about adding on another one for the front. So if you're out in the market looking for a new hose reel, I would highly recommend to hop on over to Giraffe Tools' site. Check them out. They're really awesome. They got a bunch of great products and this thing is awesome. And of course, you can find all of their links and details in the notes below or in the description of this video, wherever you are watching. We'd also like to give Giraffe Tools a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and get in the comments. Let us know how you would like this stainless steel hose reel. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe where you are seeing this content. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode. I want to thank thank you all so much for watching. This thing is pretty cool. Now I can easily wind my hose back and forth and wash the car or do whatever. Even hook it up to the pressure washer that we reviewed in the last video by Giraffe Tools. You can do a whole lot. Pretty cool. But until next time, I'm going to see you guys in the next review.